Today we're doing the update on the 67 Chevy Corvette Convertible. And as you can see, it looks slightly different than the last time. What we've gone and done is removed the front end, the outer shell on the vehicle, which is, it's not too time consuming, but it's labor intensive. And at the end of the day, you really need to know how you're removing it. And just the way a lot of this is situated, basically what we do is, we had to identify where all the structural areas were and then start to cut out the pieces. That way we could get down behind there, cut it down. We didn't want to remove any of the supporting brackets underneath, and that's why it looks the way it does. What we noticed is it had been worked on before and that there was some breakage on the inner fender liners. So we actually have those ordered up. We have our bonding strips that started to show up yesterday. And but the main reason we left all this together is there's so many components, electrical and whatnot, that's bolted to those inner fenders. So the next steps will be, once we get those inner fenders in, we'll get them dry mocked up. We'll dry mock the front end. We'll fit the hood. We'll fit the headlight buckets. Because what I learned is that none of these were square from the factory, which means at the end of the day, they're all different. So again, just labor intensive, time consuming. On the dry fitting, we'll probably have the front end on and off several times. And then once we're ready to set, we'll make our marks so we know where we'll be bonding. We'll get the underside all edged in with the satin clear coat black, and then everything else that we need to do. And then also, as you can see, the vehicle been painted on, obviously for the age, at least once before. And they've got overspray on radiator support and the inner fenders. Obviously, we're replacing these, but we'll go ahead, we'll black out the radiator support and other areas that are visual, just to really detail it out. So this is where we're at. Stay tuned to see where we're at in the next phase.